what's this?
Okay.
It's a great day.
It's a great day?
For the little friend. Tootsie.
What are you guys going to make?
An igloo.
Yay!
Can I shovel now?
No, he just got the shovel, Curly. Let him try it. Okay, don't go too deep because, I don't know. You can't go too far. That's enough. You going to dig a hole or something?
Yeah, I'm going to make it wider.
Okay. Somebody's calling me.
Oh, let's do it like this.
Hello? All right, let me go ahead and get my better half. 1 minute, please. Oh, okay. Boys, I'll be right back.
Okay. Oh, nice. Whoa! No! Chill right here, Curly. I made this spot for you. Nice spot for us. Curly, you can sit there. Right here. Oh, thank you. Oh, this is a nice kind of egg. Let me hand around. This looks cool. We're gonna take a video of my snow. Smell my butt. I'm gonna ask Stacey, how do you put it on video, okay? Help me up. Wait a minute. Help me, Curly. Help me. Help me. It's dripping down my fingers. It looks like a snow lava. Oh, they know. Coming back anyway.
You just standing right in front of the video camera.
Oh, it was going?
Time.
Oh, I didn't know.
It's been running the whole time.
Okay, then I was right. It was doing it. Because I made spots for us and we were chilling out. Let's do it again, Curly. But she can see it 2 times.
Do what?